It's a good idea.
Okay. Should we read Boom Boom Go Away?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is my blankie.
Yeah.
Go on my bed.
Yeah. I'm using it as a pillow for right now.
Yes.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
No, this one.
Oh, okay.
You got that one.
That's it.
That's the other one.
Richard's scary.
Oh, yeah. My baby. My baby.
Just adding more
Hey,
complications.
I was having the bottle
Uh-huh.
and the dress just like me.
Just like you.
He's
Yay! Oh no, Layla, give baby a hug.
Oh, baby's crying. Oh.
That was funny. That was funny.
That was...
That's a funny baby.
Uh-oh, baby's crying.
You got any?
Now you feel better. Yeah. Sounds like baby's croaking her last. Hey, baby has a little passy.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.